सचिन आया उसके मुझे
नीचे बैठ
अरे मत जाओ
मैडम है यार
चले बैक ड्रॉप पे करते फोन इधर ही करते
थोड़ा साइड दे दो पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा साइड दे अरे थोड़ा हट
अरे क्या है यार क्या है अरे कर ले इन लोग आ चल रहा है पीछे जाओ आओ यो Salim, actress is also.
Yes,
Salim, आना दो Salim, Salim.
So, I'm seeing you after how we met last in 2007.
Salim,
And then that was the first time.
Salim.
And then I think music class. Thank you.
ये हाथ को हटा पीछे
पीछे पीछे
आराम से
पीछे चलो पाछड़ ठीक है अरे इधर ही मचा दो
आराम से पाछड़ चलो पाछड़
हां
आराम से
कोई फोन आगे मत करना फोन कैमरा पीछे कर थोड़ा फोन पीछे करना थोड़ा बाय चलो चलो चलो
जगह दे ऐसा अलाउ नहीं करूंगा अरे ग्रुप नहीं बैठेगा नहीं मैं तुम्हारे मेरे को क्यों अरे ग्रुप नहीं बैठ रहा है यार
थोड़ा पीछे आओ ना ग्रुप नहीं बैठ रहा है वाइड एंगल कर
हो गया थैंक यू यस यार अमीर सर सोलो अमीर सर
लव यू सर
Sorry for the delay, but it's going to be worth it, I assure you. Thank you so much everyone for coming and for this very, very special release event of one of our songs called Kuriye. Kuriye का मतलब मैं पहले हल्का सा समझा दूं जो लोग यहाँ confused हैं. It's a Kashmiri word. कश्मीरी में कूर means girl और जब किसी लड़की को प्यार से बुलाना हो तो उसको हम कहते हैं kuriye. So, given the fact that I belong to Kashmir and it's Kashmiri music जो है वो बहुत मेरे लिए influential रहा है growing up. So it was just an attempt to blend in all my influences into this one beautiful song. And without wasting much time, I'd like to call a few special people on stage before we do the screening. My producers, my mentors, and I mean, no words will ever sum up what they mean to me. Please welcome on stage Salim and Sulaiman sir. बस, thank you. पौने घंटे से सुन रहे सब गाने, बस. और थोड़ा इसके पहले silence हो जाए.
Okay, how's it going, guys? Sorry, it's taken a little bit longer than our scheduled time, but कैसा लगा गाना आप लोगों को? जितने लोगों ने भी सुना अभी तक? हाँ?
Audio हमारा आ चुका था midnight पे on all the streaming platforms, but we're still waiting to show you the video and how beautifully it's turned out. So
yeah, we're so proud of this wonderful lad. He's come a long way. He's just done such hard work, and you know nothing really happens without hard work. So give it once again for Raj Pandit.
Thank you.
It's amazing. Hats now in the studio, not only as a performer, as a composer, as a music producer. So lots of different hats, but this one, when he's acting and doing his own songs, that's very, very special.
Thank you.
Special thanks to IP here, who's written
yes, I'm
the song
going to get him on stage
beautifully.
Thank you, sir. Uh, the next person whom I'd like to call on stage is someone who's not just the producer of this video, but also literally my producer. Please give it up for my father and the Karta Dharta of today's event, Mr. Ashok Pandit. He's in his Rajesh Khanna, Shami Kapoor zone today. The minute he walks up on stage, he goes back to his theatre days and he's ready to go. So, would you like to say something?
Producer ji.
No. The man of less words. The special guest that we have today, who I still can't believe is here, who's had such a huge impact on our movies, our cinema, our personalities. We've grown up watching his films. We've changed the way we think because of his cinema and his personality. And the fact that he's such a supporter and such a encouraging personality in our community of not just films, but even music. The fact that he's here to support an independent song that is releasing today, it means the world to all of us, to the entire team of Courier and Merchant Records. And the fact that he's here is, I can't put words to what I'm feeling currently. And without wasting any more time, ladies and gents, the man of the hour, Mr. Amir Khan. Thank you.
Well, it's great to be here actually. I met Raj when 17 years ago we were discussing.
Yes, that's right.
वो Pogo Awards में उसको कुछ most brilliant child ऐसे कुछ award मिला था ना?
Best musician.
Best musician. Yes. Best musician. So you were how old at that time?
I was 13.
13. So that time I had met him first, and then when a few days ago, last week, Ashok called me up and said Raj has come out with an album. I was like, "Arey, wow, he's grown up here.
He's come a long way.
Yeah. So I'm so happy for you, Raj.
Thank you, sir.
Well done. And you've been working with some great guys. So I guess you've had the right training. And Ashok, congratulations. Yeah, this is a special moment for you and for all of us. So congratulations and all the very best for a great career ahead. Yeah.
Thank you.
May you have a lot of success, and may you really entertain your audience, all of us, all your life, and take us to different places emotionally.
Thank you, sir. That really means a lot, and I'm so glad that we're going to experience this launch with your blessing and with your presence, and it really means the world to all of us.
Well, Ashok sent me the song, so I saw the song. You sung it really well. It's a great song. I was wondering what Courier means. I thought you meant Gorie, and maybe your diction was wrong. So I was like, Ashok को एक थोड़ा बहुत तो बोलना पड़ेगा इसके diction पे काम कर भाई. But now I just got to know it's Courier. So it's actually a Kashmiri word, which is very
Kashmiri में Koor means a girl.
Girl, हाँ. जैसे कि पंजाबी में से कुड़िए.
Correct.
So Courier, हाँ.
Courier is how we call it in Kashmiri.
Very nice. In fact, actually coming to talaffuz, his talaffuz बहुत साफ है. He says.
बहुत मेहनत की है.
Yeah, he speaks very clean.
सबसे बड़ी गलती जो लोग करते हैं.
For a singer.
सबसे बड़ी गलती जो लोग करते हैं वो फूल बोल देते हैं फूल के बदले. या फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर.
This is the biggest thing. So that's one thing.
I was noticing all his pronunciations are bang on. Very good. Yeah. For a singer, that's so important. Yeah.
Absolutely, and we learn all of these things through your films, and not just through your films, even your interviews. I have spent hours just listening to you talk about your craft, about films, and about just the way you are, and it's really been a huge inspiration to all of us, and I'm so glad that you're here for this.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking the time. Thank you.
Should we watch the video?
उसके पहले सर एक छोटी सी रिचुअल मैं करना चाहता हूँ.
Yeah.
ये एक छोटा सा हम रिचुअल क्लैप का करना चाहते हैं before we run the video.
I'll
And
give
before we do that, I'd like to call Zoya Afroz on stage. She's the lead actor of this video, a very dear friend of mine, incredibly talented.
Yeah, Zoya has done really well as well. I saw the video. You've done so well. And the director who shot it.
Yes, Tushar Mahajan is the director.
Done a wonderful job.
And the DOP of this video, Tushar.
Yeah, it's a beautiful video. Yeah, I really liked it. The whole storytelling in it is very nice.
And sir, आप तलफ़ुज़ की बात कर रहे थे, तो उसका ख्याल रखने वाले भी एक Jan हमारे साथ हैं, who's the writer of the song.
Who's the lyric writer?
He's the most incredible IP Singh. He's written the words. And this is our 6th song together, if I'm not wrong. 5th song together, yes.
IP is also a very good singer, Amir. He's a fabulous singer. And he has a band called Farid Court. His songs are extremely...
Hey, you know, you guys will be happy to know that I've started learning singing. Oh. Matlab officially.
Competition.
But you always...
I've got a guru and, you know,
Sucheta
ji is my guru and, you know, last 1 year I've been training.
Wow. That's more trouble, actually, for people like us. Because already you were showing us what to do, and now it'll be even worse.
I just enjoy singing. Yeah. It's like meditation, you know.
But it's been in your family. You and Mansoor, it's been in your family. I remember working with Mansoor also.
Yeah, Mansoor is a really
He would tell us what pickup to play and how to play.
Yeah, he's good. He's good. Well, let's watch the song then. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Let me give the clap. So, guys, wishing Kuriye all the very best. To Raj and to his entire team, all the best. Whoa!
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
कितना प्यारा गाना है ना बहुत प्यारा गाना है and it's Tushar, you've shot it really well here. Very well you shot it, and Zoya, you and Raj have done so well here. Yeah, very very well. Yeah, बहुत अच्छा गाना है यार. I think it's going to do really well. What do you guys think?
You know, Amir, I wanted to say something that these days we barely make songs which have a timeless quality. Like this song is one of them. Like Lambi Race Ka Ghoda, na? Because it's a song that you can sing without any saaz, any instrument, melody. It's pure melody. And speaking of which, Raj, let's have one. Come on, just unplugged.
Sing ya.
Nothing.
नहीं मैं नहीं गा सकता है.
Now that you're learning, sir.
Please. नहीं तू गा यार.
Raj, let's hear it. Let's hear it. Come on. Some reverb on his mic, just a little bit, please, if you can. Go for it.
मेरा खुदा खुद ही हुआ हैरान रे, आँखों में जो उतरा तेरा चेहरा रे, मरकज दिल का अब तू ही है हुआ, तेरे नाम ही है सब किनारे, कोरिए सुन कोरिए जरा बता दे, कोरिए मेरी कोरिए ये क्या हुआ रे, हाय कोरिए.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Superb, yeah. Very good.
Yeah, this song has so much terror, and it feels so calm and peaceful.
Especially for this weather. Huh?
Yeah. It's just perfect for this weather, but just generally also, you know, when you switch on, the current playlists that are running, you only hear dik ching, and this is such a clutter-breaking song. Beautiful.
Thank you, sir. I'd just like to get my team on stage if you don't mind, sir.
Of course, yeah, I'd love to meet them. Yeah.
And we'll just take a quick picture. Ria Sood, she's the choreographer of the video. We've designed all the moments and everything beforehand. Priya Sharma, she's the stylist of the video. Please come, Priya.
Yeah.
All right, before I forget. Yes, I do. Aftab sir is here, Mr. Aftab Khan. He's done. He's mixed and mastered the song. He's the sound engineer.
I see.
I've
Okay. Wonderful.
learned everything that I have about sound is mostly through him. I've assisted him for the longest time. The fact that he's mixing all my songs, I'm glad to have him, as always.
Congratulations.
Okay. Actually, a very important person who has to be on stage is my mother, Neerja Pandit. I've learnt all my music comes from her.
Oh, she also sings?
She's a Kashmiri folk singer.
Oh, wow.
तो उनका influence बहुत ज़्यादा है इस मेरे पे और इस गाने पे भी. She's the female part that you hear, the voice. That's her. I got her to bless the song with her voice. Is Pratiksha here by any chance? No, she's not. Okay, anyway. That's my mom. Okay, yes. Tushar's team, the editors, Alec and Rakshit, please come. Ashton, he is the associate cinematographer. They're all part of Tushar's team.
Who's done the production design? Amir's question.
Production design is this very talented gentleman, Surjit Rana.
I've noticed you'll use it Kashmiri carpets and all at the back.
Yes.
Was it right?
Yes.
अच्छा नहीं बड़ा खूबसूरत लग रहा था. It is looking very beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
अच्छा तो सुन मतलब I should contact you for carpets. You're the expert on Kashmiri carpets.
And from Ashok Pandit Productions, Rajveer Ahuja, who is the associate producer of the video, and Priyanka Ghatak, she is the creative producer. And every time I come up with an idea and Tushar and I go to the office, we're like, okay, we have this idea, how do we make it happen? And they make it happen.
Come.
Come, guys. From Merchant Records, of course, the boss man are here, but I'd like to call Shivansh Jindal on stage, please. Shivansh is from Merchant Records. He handles everything and anything at the label and has always been a big part of our team. And okay, who else? Okay, the hair and makeup team, are they here? Okay, anyway, no worries. Yes, Ritesh ji, please come on stage. Ritesh Srivastav, he is our media and PR consultant, always part of all our events. I hope I have covered everyone. All my lovely friends who are here for the screening, Sukriti, Prakriti, amazing, talented artists and very close friends. Uruman is here. Thank you everyone for coming. We'll just like to take a quick picture with you, sir.
Yeah, let's do it.
We'll do a team picture.
One sec. I wanted to, as a habit, I wanted to ask a question to Amir. बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि मैंने एक मैसेज किया आमिर सर को और he immediately said I'll call you at 5 o'clock and I told him that ऐसा है तो I would like you to be launching this song of his. I just want to ask him, sir, what was the reason of you saying yes immediately? Because मुझे सारी लोग पूछ रहे हैं आमिर ने मान कैसे लिया? तो इसका जवाब देना बहुत ज़रूरी है लोगों को.
नहीं एक तो we have a long relationship, Ashok, and you know we've been together since college.
Yeah.
So of course I'll always be there for you, but especially this time, you know when Ashok called me and said it's for my son, so I said done. And then he was wondering why इतना जल्दी कैसे हो गया. I said I've just been through that myself as a father. जुनैद की फिल्म महाराज लगी तो मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस था कि लोगों को उसका काम पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा, you know. So how probably you're feeling right now, you know, as he's taking his first steps. Just a couple of months back or 1 month back, I was in that situation. So I completely understand that feeling, and I'm here to support your son and you, Ashok. And and it's an emotion that I immediately connected to. I said, हाँ यार, मैं समझ सकता हूँ तेरी हालत इस वक्त क्या है. तो मैं रहूँगा.
Actually, every single parent understands.
Yeah, I know. For our children, you know, we are always worried that, you know, they should be accepted. And I'm so happy to know that, you know, actually, Junaid has worked really hard for himself, and he's never accepted any help from me in any way, ever. So I'm very proud and happy that he's made it on his own terms, in his own way, and you know, and I can see that Raj is doing the same thing. He's been talented since the age of 13. So it's, you know, it's time to take your first step, and you have. It's really wonderful.
So Junaid's playback voice has to be only Raj.
No, I told Ashok and Raj that also, that jo film hai, Junaid is doing a couple of films, so I'm going to request the composers to try out Raj's voice. It'll be a great fit, I hope. Yeah.
Take a still.
Come, let's take a photograph. I think we should make two. I'll come in front. मैं नीचे बैठता हूँ तो दो लेवल हो जाएंगे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ बेस्ट आइडिया.
अरे डांटो मत, तुम्हारा ही आदमी है यार.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much. अच्छा हाँ आप लोग के लिए हाँ. Thank you. So much. All the best. All the very best. Sure. अरे.
Thank you
all
so
the very
much.
best. Do well.
सर आइए यहाँ पर आइए. अरे कहाँ जा रहे हैं भाई, खड़े हम लोग इधर. ये लो पीछा सर आइए आपका भी सर. बस परफेक्ट. आइए सर साथ में एक साथ में अरे बहुत सर यहाँ पर सर आपका भी सुनो. कौन है? ओ मैडम जी थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. मैडम जी थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. लाइट नहीं है वहाँ पे. लाइट में थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ. और थोड़ा बस. अरे माँ मैडम जी देखा ही नहीं. जोया जी यहाँ पे एकदम सामने. थैंक यू. अच्छा है ना. सर आइए आपका सोलो. सेटिंग पूरा चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना. सर यहाँ सामने आपके एकदम सामने. यार इधर Thank you sir. हाँ बता. एक सेकंड.
आइए
सेंटर में आइए, सेंटर में आइए। जो है
बैक रो पे सेंटर में रुकिए बाहर।
सर रुकिए,
सर इधर सामने देखे ना।
राज सर
रुकिए रहा। जोया जी आइए साथ में।
मैम आ जाइए आप ही मैम।
जोया जी आइए।
जोया जी एक साथ में फोटो।
मैम आ जाओ।
लगन यूज करते।
रुकिए सेंटर।
हिट है, जोड़ी हिट है।
बोता भी लोग सेंटर।
अरे यार
अरे
कमेंट्री कौन सी है?
सर इधर से चल दो ना।
जोया
रुकिए विशाल पकड़ रहा।
अरे कमेंट्री कौन सुन रहा है भाई? क्रिकेट कौन देख रहा है?
हो गया, सोलो हो गया। यहाँ देखिए।
बंद कर रहे क्या?
सर सेंटर।
सर इधर देखे ना सामने।
सर मैम सेंटर देखो।
सर सेंटर।
सेंटर
थैंक यू।
बोले तो सिखाने का भी नहीं।
थैंक यू।
ओके हो गया।
मैम
जोया जी वो डिटेल्स छाप।
कौन कैमरे का स्पेलिंग पूछो। थैंक यू की क्या बात है? अरे कड़ा
अरे क्या पिक्चर बना रहा है क्या? हाँ तो
क्या पिक्चर कौन बना रहे हैं?
चलो
हाँ आने दीजिए। चलो सब लोग ऊपर आ जाओ।
आगे मत जाना।
आगे
तो क्या छापने को बचा ही गया।
स्क्रीनिंग है क्या? हाँ स्क्रीनिंग है।
सॉन्ग
हाँ हो गया। सर एक आप दोनों का
हाँ करेक्ट। इनके साथ राज को भी ले लो।
हाँ आइए सर। राज सर नहीं आए। इसका भी एक फोटो चाहिए कुछ ले और उसको बोले वो भी बुला लेगा। बोला सर लोग सेंटर
कैमरे में देख के मार रहे।
सर सेंटर में देखिए।
चल कैसे
तो ऑल ऑफ यू योर सेंटर।
राइट में खड़ा है। हाँ
अशोक सर इधर सामने।
अशोक है सर। कौन सा?
सर यहाँ देखिए सामने।
सर यहाँ पे सर ऑल ऑफ यू।
मत
हाँ रे सही बोला।
मैं पीछे नहीं मतलब हाँ पढ़ लिया तू बोला।
आप लोग इधर आ जाओ। एक भी मैं यहाँ पे
हाँ बोलो ना।
अरे चलेगा।
कर करके तुमने घर भेज दो।
इधर देखो मैम।
एंड स्माइल। प्रकृति प्रकृति कुदरत का करिश्मा वेलकम या दिस नहीं आप फर्स्ट है पीछे से
आइए साथ में फोटो कर लीजिए सीटिंग है नो कम क्लोज कम क्लोज
यहाँ देखिए
यहाँ पे सेंटर में
Thank you.